All right, guys, welcome back to Cameshiareviews, the Queen of Reality TV. Uh, wait a minute. All right, my bad. Somebody was texting me. So let's talk about this whole Tasha K situation. I know I'm late. I'm sorry. Um, and my title was literally saying, "Did she win?" And I meant that for a reason. But first, let me read about this whole thing with Kevin Hart. So, Kevin Hart said to walk away after reaching an unconditional deal with ex-assistant and Tasha K. Kevin Hart can now put the legal, and this is according to MSN, put the legal battles with his former assistant Misha Shakes and celebrity blogger Tasha K behind him. The comedian has reportedly reached a date of settlement with the defendants, and his legal team has updated the court about the new development. Kevin Hart dragged Misha Shakes and Tasha K to court in 2023 on the grounds of a civil extortion and invasion of privacy. Kevin Hart reached a settlement with Misha Shakes and Tasha K on Valentine's Day. Kevin informed the court that he made an unconditional deal with the duo, meaning he would be dropping his lawsuit against them. Kevin's legal term also filed a notice of settlement of the entire case, noting that as long as no issues arise when drafting the settlement, the case should be closed in the near future. The committee's lawyers stated that they're currently finalizing the language of their settlement agreements, which were reached on February 14th. As confirmed by In Touch, Kevin's whole episode with Misha and Tasha K began after Misha, his former assistant, appeared on the candid interview with Tasha K. Kevin accused Misha of breaching her professional contract. In the lawsuit filed in 2023, Kevin disclosed that he received a call from one of Tasha K's associates asking them to pay some coins to prevent the interview from being published on Tasha K's social media. Kevin was taken aback by a proposal that suggested extortion, leading him to contact the police to report the incident immediately. He also explained that instructed his legal team to issue a cease and desist letter to Tasha K, warning her against publishing an interview. Meanwhile, Kevin asserted that Misha had signed a non-disclosure agreement when she left his employment. Misha worked for the comedian as his assistant from 2017 to 2020. He filed a lawsuit seeking an injunction and different damages. He claimed that Misha's comments during Tasha's case interview had damaged his reputation. The actor's former assistant disputed claims of her defaulting her NDA provisions. Following Kevin's filing, Misha claimed she did not do the actor any wrong with her interview. Misha argued that the non-disclosure agreement she signed was not valid because her former boss never provided her with health insurance as promised in the deal. The former staff disclosed that when she signed the NDA, she was experiencing severe mental health challenges and was facing significant financial difficulties due to her employment. She emphasized that the actor was fully aware of her struggles, including her urgent need for health insurance and financial support, as she was unable to afford either her health insurance or her prescribed medications. Kevin failed to abide by their obligations under the document. Therefore, Kevin cannot pursue Misha for an alleged breach when it suits Kevin's agenda, Misha revealed. Her attorney continued with regard to the alleged invasion of privacy defamation claims Kevin and his company. She also cannot show a reasonable probability of success on merits. Misha's legal rep concluded that the actions taken by Kevin and his company to silence his clients reflect a troubling pattern among celebrities. He noted that celebrities, after engaging in questionable behavior, usually seek to suppress any criticism surrounding their actions. Interesting. Interesting. Hmm. Okay, so the question I ask is, did Tasha K win on that? What do you guys think? Who knows what she had to sign, had to say in order for this to go away? So I'm not gonna sit here and say that it's a win. So let's go into to Cardi B. Cardi B secures $1 million repayment plan from the YouTuber for defamation verdict. Let me see something. I guess I got it like that. Okay. Mm. All right. Gossip blogger Tasha K has agreed to pay Cardi B more than $1 million over the next 5 years and refrain from talking about the rapper or her family. Ooh, 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 baby. Let me tell y'all something like that. What does it mean that you have two lawsuits that is to the point of settle? Does it really mean that you won? Or does it mean that behind the scenes, there's a lot of things that are not being said that you had to sign that probably could affect your blogger career? If something happens for Kevin Hart or Cardi B in the news in the future, those topics you would not be able to touch. There's probably some things that has been signed behind the scenes that probably stopped your bag, but we don't know about it. Gossip blogger Tasha K has agreed, and this is according to Billboard, excuse me. Gossip blogger Tasha K has agreed in bankruptcy court to pay Cardi B more than $1 million over the next 5 years, and not to make any disparaging, defamatory statements about the superstar. And of course, filings Friday, February 21st. Interesting how the other selling with Kevin Hart was February 14th. Now this is February 21st. Attorneys for Tasha K, Tasha Kibi, offered a plan to resolve her years-long federal bankruptcy case proceedings made necessary by a 3.9 million judgment against her for defaming Cardi and outlandish claims, including different things that I will not say because how YouTube be tripping. The new plan will cover only 1.2 million, less than third of that fine, but under the terms of the agreement, Tasha will still owe the rest of the damages award, even if she finished the repayment plan is non-dischargeable. Interesting. In the first year, the agreement known as the plan of reorganization, Tasha will pay. Like, this is crazy. She literally has a payment plan. $44,907 per quarter to her unsecured creditors. Wow. Mm. By year 581, what is happening? That is crazy. Mm. A day after Cardi filed her motion to dismiss, the court-appointed trustee, a neutral third party who helped shepherd a bankruptcy case toward a repayment filed her own motion endorsing Cardi B's arguments, urging the judge to dismiss Tasha's bankruptcy case. The threat of such an outcome likely forced Tasha attorneys to negotiate Friday's agreement, avoiding the risk that the bankruptcy could be dismissed entirely. I knew something was going on. See there? You heard that? The threat of such an outcome likely forced Tasha's attorneys to negotiate Friday's agreement, avoiding the risk that the bankruptcy would be dismissed entirely. Mm-hmm. 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 Interesting. That's crazy. Well, I'm not gonna sit here and get too deep into this whole thing, but I just wanted to give you all the report. Her court case is over, but the court cases made her name infamous in the news. She got what she want. So does the fee that she has to pay back, is it worth it? Because her name, she might become a documentary. We might see her on Vice TV. We might see her on something. When you talk about bloggers, they won't talk about none of the small bloggers. They're gonna talk about Tasha K. So now this is gonna become a trend. In the next 3 to 5 years, you're gonna see a lot more people suing bloggers because bloggers will be lying about different things out loud, craziness just to be sued. Isn't who getting sued right now? Who is it that said something about somebody? I don't Megan Thee Stallion suing somebody, and then it is what it is. I don't have nothing else, y'all. One thing I want you guys to know, and that nothing that will never change about this, I am the queen of reality TV.